Have you ever loved someone so deeply that you would do anything for them, even when they didn't deserve it, didn't notice it, or even walked away from you? Now imagine that love, multiplied beyond what the human heart can carry. That's how God loves you. Not safely, not carefully, not logically, but recklessly. A love that breaks rules, crosses boundaries, climbs mountains, and tears through walls, just to reach you. When we say the reckless love of God, it's not that God is wild or careless, no. It means He loves in a way that doesn't make sense to human reasoning. He loves past our imperfections, past our failures, past our shame. Think about this for a moment. Before you prayed your first prayer, before you ever thought about Him, before you even cared, He was already chasing you. The Bible gives us a picture of this love. Luke 15:4. What man of you, having 100 sheep, if he loses one of them, does not leave the 99 in the wilderness and go after that which is lost until he finds it? That's not logical. That's not balanced. That's not safe. But it is love, a reckless love. It's the kind of love that says, I don't care how far you've gone. I will find you. I don't care what others say. You matter to me. I don't care how broken you think you are. I call you mine. God's love pursues you. You may think you've fallen too far, but His love falls further. You may think you've messed up too badly, but His mercy cleans deeper. You may think you're too distant, but His footsteps are already behind you, running toward you. God doesn't wait for you to be perfect. He meets you in your mess. He meets you in your weakness. He meets you in the place where everybody else walked away. His love doesn't give up. His love doesn't slow down. His love doesn't get tired. His love doesn't change its mind. God loves you personally, not generally. Sometimes we think God loves the world, but not us individually. But let me tell you, when Jesus hung on that cross, He wasn't thinking about crowds. He was thinking about you, your name, your destiny, your purpose, your future. That's the reckless love that refuses to lose you. A word to strengthen you. No matter what storm you're facing, no matter what guilt you carry, no matter how many times you've fallen, God's love for you has not changed. It is still pursuing you, still holding you, still calling your name, still fighting for your soul. Today, rest in this truth. You are fiercely, endlessly, and recklessly loved by God. Before you scroll away, I want you to declare it boldly in the comments. I receive the reckless love of God. Your words release faith. Your declaration invites breakthrough.